next we will be making carrot pilaf. So this is our rice cooker. This is like a typical Japanese kitchen. We have some cooked rice left over from lunch. So it's a very short recipe. It's okay. It's okay. I know, it's okay. It's really okay. Because I have about that much rice. I think enough for like a side dish, not a main dish. Are you okay? So I'm going to be using about that much carrots. And you shouldn't peel the skin because there's a lot of nutrition in it. And I want to use a little bit of onion. So I guess I bought a quarter of an onion. This is going to be very hard to tolerate. Oh, and I don't know, can they see this? This is my handy dandy. I use this for like everything. This is like, okay, so moms and dads, you need to get this. I mean, like, this is a lifesaver. Okay, so you basically chop up onion and carrots, however much you want. Please adjust the amount you want to put in. Okay. So one of the tips for cooking quickly when you have kids yelling in the background is to use devices, obviously. Also, use the microwave a lot. So that's the chopped carrot and onion. And I'm gonna use some butter. Okay. And then, let's say you put saran-wrap on. And then put it in the microwave, 500 watts for 3 minutes. You know what I really should have done was make videos of me making baby food. I think that would have been useful. I should have done that. I could still do it if anyone wants to know. Okay, so when you save your veggies, like carrots, you know, will be like, when it's in the ground, it's that way. So you should save it in the refrigerator like it would be in the ground as much as possible. So like carrots and like asparagus and stuff, like you should like try to stand in your refrigerator. Like that. And onion, a lot of people say don't put it in the refrigerator, but I think it's okay. Okay. And for people that don't have a rice cooker, my grandma in Japan used to cook rice in a pot. I don't know if you can see me. She used to cook rice in a pot, like a pan, normal pan. So if anyone wants to know how to do that, I could do that too. It is super hot. And today I put some butter in, and you know, like carrots, takes long to cook carrots. So if you put in the microwave for like 3 minutes, it's like basically cooked. So it saves you a lot of time, but this time it was with onion, and onion has a lot of water in onion. So it's okay, but like for instance, if you're just going to be doing carrots, it doesn't have enough water in the carrot, so it might like explode. So you need to like put some water or some kind of liquid in the dish and then microwave it, because you don't want an explosion. And then we're gonna stir this in. Then I'm gonna put some garlic powder in. And this, I don't know if you can find this at an Asian market. It's basically like chicken broth powder. I don't know if you have this. I don't have much left actually. So I guess like half a teaspoon for this amount. gonna try some. You know, the onion, it's a very strong onion, but it's very sweet. That's also a good thing about the microwave. You don't lose much vitamins because you're not like boiling your veggies. And I buy a lot of my plates at IKEA or IKEA, depending on where you live. I think you call it differently. And I just put some herbs on top. Parsley. Okay, ta-da! That's my carrot pilaf.